Levels. Welcome to our channel Market Wisdom, and if you are new to our channel, please I would suggest to like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Yeah, I give the levels depending upon the chart and all. It's just for study purpose. And if you want to join me in my Telegram channel, I have given you the link in the Telegram channel, link in the description. You can join with that as well. And let's see, as I predicted in the morning itself, it will be a profit booking day, and you can see Nifty has already fallen very nicely, almost 200 points, 1%, more than 1% fall we have seen in today's market. And see what I have given in the daytime. So I was in the 1 hour time frame. You might have saw I have given a call in the daytime itself that it has made a double top at this 320 330 level, and it was in the process of creating a M pattern. So you can see this was the M chart that I have shown. You can see the before and after image in the side, and if you see, this was the neckline, which was that 18,200 to 220, and below that I was expecting more fall until 18,080. It has touched 18,080 mark. So nice fall we have seen in a daytime, and I have given it on the base of a double top at the 18,320. So that was my analysis behind today's Nifty downside. Let's see what can happen in tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, to predict, first of all we have to see what is the 10-year yield is saying to us. So it is saying 1.81. it went until 1.85. that was very bearish signal. So that's why I was, my first post only in different channels, WhatsApp channels and Telegram channel, I have said today will be a profit booking day by looking at this 10-year yield only. So you can keep an eye on this. So this is at the highest level, above 18.70 it's a bearish sign. Already we have passed 1.8580. So it's clearly a bearish sign for now. And how it will impact on the US market, that we will first of all see. So if this is my I have opened Dow Jones chart. It is currently trading at 35,900. okay, and you can see it is trading at this trend line. So this was the trend line support that I had drawn over here. You can see it is exactly trading at that particular level. So if it is broken this particular trend line, we can expect a fall until this 35,300. so another 600 points fall we can expect in Dow Jones as well. And this trend line is very crucial for Dow, and it can break now. If we see Nasdaq also multi-year trend line, it is respecting till now. So this was the trend line that I have drawn. You can see this was the trend line that I have drawn. I will mark it red, and font little bit more upper. Yeah, so this dark red line you can see. So this is the trend line it was following, and it has already broken this particular trend line. So this is the bearish sign for Nasdaq, and it will definitely impact IT stocks here as well. So profit booking is expected in IT stocks. And on smaller time frame as well, if we see, I will mark it with blue, and let me increase the size. So you can see on smaller time frame as well, it is at the trend line support here also. So on below trading below this trend line, it will be a very good fall we can see in the Nasdaq, and the next target will be 14,500, and then ultimate target of 14,100. So that's what the prediction on the Nasdaq side. You will say how it will help us, right? So Nasdaq, we can see Nasdaq, and we can trade in the Nifty IT stocks, and Nifty IT, if it is falling, it will definitely going to impact Nifty as well. So basically Nifty IT and Nifty Bank, those are two major components of Nifty. So they both generally don't go at the same time, means on the bounce side or on the downside. Generally one goes very aggressively on the downside, and today we saw Nifty IT has came down sharply. All the Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech, all those stocks fallen, but Bank Nifty was strong in most of the part of the day. But later on Nifty dragged Bank Nifty as well on the downside. So okay, now coming to our market, what can be the support and resistance for our market that we can see. Okay, so let's go to the daily candle first of all, and we will mark the Fibonacci retracement over here to get to know the what we can say, support for the market, where we can see the support. So we can see this was the recent dip that market has made around this level, 16,400, and from there non-stop 18,300 is the level. So we'll draw Fibonacci retracement from this. So I will select this point until this bounce. Okay, so what I can get, I can get the first support at the 17,890. So this will be my support area, 17,890 to 17,900. That's what we can roughly calculate about. So 17,900 we should be looked upon. And but before going to that, we can see open interest, right? Yeah, before going to 17,900, we should look at the Nifty open interest. So let's see what happened in the current week expiry, 20 Jan. We can see strong call writing happened today. These green candles in the change in open interest suggest us fresh call writing happened, and you can see downside red candles over here that suggest put unwinding happened. So means whatever put writers were there, they just squared off their position, and that's why we see these red candles in downside. Okay, and we see fresh call writing happened. So the most call writers happened at 18,200. So definitely on the upper side, as per OI analysis, 18,200 will be the resistance, and on the support side we still have a lot of put writers at 18,000. So 18,000 will be acting as a support for us. So we got the range right now, 18,000 to 18,200. That will be the most probable range for tomorrow. That's what we can see. Now just quickly look at the monthly option. What is the scenario over there? Are we seeing put unwinding? Yeah, so on the monthly side, hardly we see any put unwinding, right? But call writers had added huge, 18,200 calls added, also straddles added, but 18,000 put writers are still there. So it means definitely our range for tomorrow will be 18,000 to 18,200. Now come back to the chart. So on the chart side, I will go with the 1 hour or 15-minute candle. That will tell us where we can get the support. So here I am on the hourly candle. You can see on the hourly candle there is definitely a support in this area. We can see this is the area which is that. So that area is definitely 17,930. okay, and as per Fibonacci retracement also, our support coming at 17,900, right? So this is more probable support that we can get. Okay, and on the as per open interest analysis, if we see the 18,000 has most OI, right? So this level 18,000. So here we can see market has spent some time on the 18,000 level. Yeah, so this can also act as a support, but I feel this is weak support. We still have a strong support at 17,900, and for the resistance, the topmost resistance we have 18,300, and definitely after that this area 18,220 to 18,200 will be our major resistance now, by looking at the open interest analysis as well. So if we go on the 15-minute candle, let's see what is the scenario over there. Also on 15-minute candle also we can see 18,000 as a support over here. Okay, so 18,000, below 18,000 we can expect a level until 17,900, and on the upper side 18,200 will act as a resistance for us for sure, and above that the next level of resistance will be at the 18,300 320. That can be the levels that coming up for tomorrow in case of Nifty. Now we'll look into the Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, this is 15-minute candle. We can see, definitely see, this is a trend line. It was supporting and it has broken decisively right now. So where is the next support that we can come up with, right? So let's look at that. For that I will give look into 1 hour candle. As far as 1 hour candle is looked at, so this 38,000 definitely a support for us. 38,000. Below that we may see a dip towards 37,600, and then the final dip towards this gap, which is 37,000. okay, so this is a very big gap. I feel today Bank Nifty not moved that much on the downside compared to Nifty, but in coming days it may also fall. Okay, so in case of bank nifty, we can initiate a fresh short only on below 38,000, and target will be in that case 37,500. Okay, and on the bounce side, again this 38,500 will be resistance, and you can see double top has been made over here, right? So here also we can probably draw a M pattern like this. Okay, and in that case it may drag towards like this. So this is just high level imagination that we are trying to create, but yeah, it will go stepwise. Before after crossing 38,000, the next target will be 37,500, and below that 37,000. So if I get 37,500 tomorrow, that will be my buying area because of ICICI Bank result and upcoming budget. So I will buy if I see 37,500 level tomorrow. So these are my Nifty Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Yeah, that's it I have, and thanks for watching, and be safe. Thank you.